In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create a logo in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow that uses Figma's community to jumpstart your logo ideas and customize them to fit your brand. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're signed in so you can open and edit community files in your own drafts. This ensures you can save changes and return to them later. Once Figma is open, head to the Community section. You'll find it in the Interface menu, and it's essentially a gallery of resources shared by designers around the world. Files, templates, and more. Community is a great place to explore visual directions quickly without building everything from scratch. In the community view, use the search bar and type logo. You'll see a wide range of logo packs, templates, and explorations. Feel free to apply filters like files and free to narrow your results if needed. As you browse, open the file pages to read descriptions, previews, and any notes about usage. This helps you understand what's included and how the designer intended the resource to be used. From the search results, you'll find collections of ready-to-use logos. Think of these as starting points and inspiration rather than finished identities. Always check the file details for licensing or usage guidance and plan to customize what you pick so it becomes unique to your brand and avoids conflicts with existing trademarks. When you find a set you like, click Open in Figma. Depending on the file, you may see options like open or duplicate. Either way, bring it into your drafts so you can edit freely. Opening the file locally also lets you inspect layers, components, and color styles at full fidelity. With the file open, explore the artboards and select a logo that fits your direction. You can modify these logos directly. Double-click into vector groups to adjust shapes, update colors, using your brand palette and change text to your brand name. Try refining proportions, rounding corners, or tweaking letter forms to make it distinctly yours. Keep scalability in mind. Logos should look crisp, both small and large. So avoid overly thin strokes and maintain clear contrast. Use Figma's alignment tools and smart guides to keep elements balanced. And consider grouping or naming layers to stay organized as you iterate. If the file includes components or styles, leverage them for consistent edits across variations. That's the full flow. Open Figma, browse community, search for logo, pick a resource, open it in your drafts, and customize until it feels uniquely yours. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.